Welcome to Bookbolt. Here on the landing page, our first step is to click on Search. Once you're in the search area, look for the Create button. Go ahead and click that to launch Bookbolt Studio. The studio has now loaded, displaying the last project I worked on. To start afresh, click New Project. In project type, select paperback. We'll be making a 6 by 9 inch book, a great size for puzzle books. Set the total pages to 110, 55 puzzle pages, and 55 solution pages. Then click Create Project. The project opens with a cover page template that matches Amazon's required dimensions. You can hide the template overlay using the eye icon, though you can leave it visible if you prefer the guide. Next, click the Shapes icon to begin designing your cover. Now comes the fun part, designing a cover that stands out. Take your time here, choose a striking background color, craft a clear main title and subtitle, and arrange elements so they draw the eye. In this example, I'll switch the background color, update the title text, and tweak the subtitle placement. When you're ready to add imagery, click the Images icon, select Pixabay, then search for Sudoku. Choose an image you like and drag it onto your cover. As you continue fine-tuning the graphics, remember, the left half of this canvas represents your back cover. You can add a short blurb, author bio, or key bullet points here. Just avoid placing anything in the bottom right corner, since Amazon reserves that space for the ISBN barcode. Once your front and back covers look polished, it's time to move on. Click Continue to start building the interior of your 110-page book. 55 puzzles first, then 55 solution pages. In the next screen, fill out the sections as indicated. Set your page size again to 6 by 9 inches, specify the number of pages, and choose any optional settings you like. Then click Continue to Solutions. Just like that, the puzzles are laid out and the project is ready. Before downloading, select CMYK since we're creating a paperback. You can also save an RGB copy if you plan to offer an ebook version. Here you can see several other Bookbolt projects I've created, each ready for upload to Amazon KDP. Switching between projects is as simple as clicking on their thumbnails. And that's it. Creating a puzzle book in Bookbolt is that easy. Puzzle books have high barriers to entry, so competition on KDP is moderate, giving you a real shot at making good sales. Check the link in the description for direct access to Bookbolt and use promo code AIHacks5 for 20% off. This code never expires. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy publishing!